Okay, so in the previous video we learned how to play a video using VideoView, but it's a pretty minimal player. Basically, it's just a window that your video shows up in, and no controls or anything. If you want any controls, you have to implement them yourself the way that we've implemented this pause button. But there's another class that the API provides for you called MediaController. And it's really easy to hook up a media controller to your video and get some user interface stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and create a media controller. And that's just going to be a new media controller. And I'm going to give it the application context, and then I'm going to right click, but the one I want is Android.widget media controller, not Android media session media controller. So there's two different classes called media controller. I want the widget class, which is a user interface thing, and then I want to do two things. First, I want to set the media controller anchor view to be my video view. And then I want to set the video view media controller to media controller. So that's just basically, I have two objects, I'm hooking them together, and this is really all you need to do. So I'm going to go ahead and hit play. And so I'm getting a little lag that time. Let me start it again. This is because Genymotion is not as fast as a real device, so sometimes you get lag. There we go. Okay, so now it's working. Now, it looks pretty much the same as before, but when I click on the video, ooh, I get this little media controller, and I can pause, I can drag the thumb, play, can see back and forth, can skip ahead, skip back. I get the time elapsed and the total. So this is a nice little control that you get basically by adding two lines of code. Pause that.